Just did a short talking about this a little bit ago, and I thought about it, and I've got a lot more to say. I really do. Because the initial question is, how is this helping anybody? How is this safe to have this many pills? And this isn't all of it, because as I've mentioned before, my mother-in-law, she had a really bad stroke. We've already got rid of a ton of meds because the nursing home says, no, we don't want that stuff. We're going to start from scratch. And she's in the nursing home because the stroke is so bad she cannot recover. Okay? So we already dumped all the stuff that was in her purse. We got rid of all that, and we go to the house to try to clean things up and put things together. And all this is on the dresser. And all of these are different medications, and they're not the same as the stuff we already got rid of. So, I mean, really, how is this helping anybody? How is this anything but a system designed to make you sick and keep you that way? That's my ultimate question here, because this is too much. This is way too much. And like I said, there's more. We already got rid of, I want to say 8 to 10 bottles of different things that she carried around in her purse. How do you expect an elderly person to keep track of this? Some of these have to be taken 3-4 times a day, reading the labels without disclosing too much, because I don't want to turn it and show her name. Pills for everything you can think of. And then half of this stuff is to counteract the side effects of the other stuff. So you're giving somebody a bunch of medications for whatever. Some of it's for arthritis, some of it's for vertigo, some of it's for dementia, some of it's for anxiety, some of it's for this and that and the other. Without even getting into it, you know what this one is. This pandemic medication. Well, don't even get me started on that, because she had tested positive at some point, even though she's had the vax and like a bunch of boosters for all the good it does. How is this healthcare? This isn't healthcare. The system that we're under already is health repair, not healthcare, health repair, because you go to the hospital when it's too late. You're not healthy, you don't eat right, you don't exercise, you're not clean, so on and so forth. All the things that keep you healthy, most people don't do. So they go to the doctor for health repair. They get a crap ton of pills, and all those do is make things worse, in my opinion. I have to say that. I have to say that it's in my opinion. I'm sure some of you understand why. This is a really broken system. This is scary, is what this is. And I wouldn't be surprised if, as we dig around through the home, we find even more pills. I would not be surprised at all if more stuff turns up after I film this. I mean, seriously, people, can you not see what is wrong here? Do you not understand the problem? Why are you doing all of this to yourself? Poisoning yourselves with all this medication. I have to ask, guys, I don't take meds. I don't take anything. I won't even take painkillers. Even when my leg was broken, I didn't take painkillers after the surgery, because I had a spiral fracture on my fibula. And they were like, oh, it's excruciating, you're gonna need to take. No, I'm not taking a damn thing. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. And neither should you. You should be very careful. We're at a day and age where all they do is push these pharmaceuticals and these chemicals on you. And hell, they don't even know what it does. The day of the true pharmacist has long passed. All they do is Google a sheet, same as like what you could do, to find out what these pills do. Opinions? I mean, seriously, let me know what you think about this. It's important. Tell me in the comment section down below. Please do give the video a thumbs up if you get where I'm coming from. Share it if you can. Subscribe if you're new. All of that stuff. And if that's it, then what more can I say but stay tuned, folks, because there is more to come.